Imagine an AI agent that doesn't just generate slides, but actually researches, reviews, and redesigns your content in real time. That's Gamma, an AI design partner built to take your ideas and instantly turn them into polished, shareable content. With Gamma, you can skip the blank page and create brilliance in a flash. Whether it's presentations, websites, social posts, or entire reports, Gamma makes the process effortless. You start with a simple idea, an outline, or even upload existing content, and Gamma does the rest. Here are some wild examples. Recreate an entire presentation deck from just a prompt. Turn a website URL into a complete, ready-to-use site. Transform a research paper into a clean, engaging deck in minutes. This isn't just formatting. Gamma is powered by more than 20 AI models to ensure the highest quality output. You can import your brand kit or choose from over 100 professional themes. From there, Gamma instantly adds layouts, rich content, and even translations. Want visuals? It generates images on the spot and can rework them with AI. Collaboration is built in, so your whole team can edit together in real time. Once your content is ready, Gamma makes it easy to share. Export to PowerPoint, PDF, or PNG. Publish as a website or social post. Or just share a link and track engagement metrics to see how your audience interacts with your work. Gamma isn't just another AI tool. It's an AI partner that designs, reviews, and delivers high-quality content at scale. Whether you're building decks, sites, or social campaigns, Gamma helps you move faster and focus on what you do best. Would you let an AI handle your next presentation? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI deep dives.